Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to fit an LED in the boot. First we want to unclip the light. There we go. Twist, pull out. Now that is going to be very hot, so you have to be very careful. So I'm just going to quickly pull it out, wiggling it. Get your LED. Oh, first time. You got to remember, anything with an LED is polarity sensitive, so I'll take it back out and show you it won't work the other way. There we go. So that's not working. Back in. It's working. Now we're going to put it back in. And there we go. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.